In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in 4 with PayPal, also commonly known as PayPal's Buy Now, Pay Later service. This feature is a convenient way to shop without having to pay the full amount up front, making it a popular choice for many people who want to manage their budgets more effectively. Let's dive right into how you can use this service and what to expect along the way. First, you'll need a PayPal account. It's necessary to have a verified account to use the Pay in 4 feature because PayPal needs to ensure your identity and financial reliability. If you don't have an account yet, head over to PayPal's website and sign up using your email address and some basic personal information. It's a straightforward process and should only take a few minutes. Once you've set up your account, make sure it's linked to a valid payment method, such as a bank account or a credit card. Now that your account is ready, you can start using the Pay in 4 feature. While shopping online, look for the PayPal button at checkout. When you see it, select PayPal as your payment method. Once PayPal's pop-up or window appears, you'll notice the option to Pay in 4 if the merchant supports it. Click on that option to proceed. This will allow you to spread the cost of your purchase over 4 interest-free payments, helping to ease the financial burden in the short term. Before proceeding with the payment, PayPal will perform a quick eligibility check, which usually takes just a few seconds. It's important to know that not every purchase will qualify for Pay in 4, as PayPal considers factors such as your purchase amount and your account history. If your purchase is eligible, you'll see a clear breakdown of your payment schedule so you can understand when and how much you'll be paying over time. If you agree to the terms, you can click to accept, and the first payment will be deducted from your chosen payment method right away. PayPal will automatically charge the remaining 3 payments every 2 weeks, as outlined in the payment agreement. You'll receive reminders and can track or adjust your payments in the PayPal app or on their website under the Pay in 4 section of your account. Remember that although there are no interest charges if you make the payments on schedule, not paying on time could result in fees or affect your credit score. So, it's wise to keep track of your budget and ensure you have sufficient funds available ahead of the scheduled payments. That wraps up our tutorial on how to Pay in 4 with PayPal. With this information, you can enjoy your purchases without the immediate financial strain, all while managing your finances responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as many others do. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.